How Sailor's WJP Technology achieves full-color multi-material printing. WJP stands for white jet processing. This technology operates similarly to inkjet printing. After jetting and depositing a thin layer of photosensitive resin, it is rapidly cured with UV light. Upon completing each layer, the building platform lowers with high precision, while the printhead continues operating until the object is finished. Crucially, material properties can be programmed within a single layers, enabling different materials to be placed precisely where needed. This allows for high precision. Piezoelectric drop-on-demand printing of materials like liquid photopolymer resin, biohydrogal materials, wax-based materials, and more. Application Lab 3D Portrait Figurine. Using 3D scanning to capture real person data, the process reproduces facial features and clothing details, crafting personalized digital collectibles for users. 3D printed landscape models. Full-color 3D printing technology accurately distinguishes land features, water bodies, structures, and other terrain elements. It enables true-to-scale reproduction of natural landscapes or urban layouts. 3D printed fabric integrates flexible fabric substrates with resin materials, enabling rigid, transparent, and full-color 3D printing. Builds 21 micrometers of thick 3D structures on textile surfaces. Meets haute couture demands for color schemes and complex texture designs. Replica of cultural relics. 3D printing technology involves 3D scanning, data collection, data restoration, and 3D fold color printing to repair and replicate cultural relics without contact. Welcome to Contact Us and visit our factory. Begin your 3D printing venture now.